Hi, it's Michael from Hive Estates, and I'm here on Highbury in Jesmond to show you an elegant and modern home. This stunning, open kitchen, living, dining space is full of natural light. I love the hot water tap for on-demand hot water and the Wi-Fi coffee machine so you can order a flat white from your bedroom. Oh, that is so good. This incredible bifolding space opens up into the kitchen so you can see your garden. The bathroom door slides into the wall, which makes a great use of the space. And when you get to the top floor, the master suite is quite special. There's a vaulted ceiling and a window and you can see the sky. And this is the master bathroom. Double sink, freestanding bath, chandelier, what a space.